amahirwe araka Scott Atkins Yesu Kristo.
Talk about this, huh?
Bari binago twakabaye tuganiraho. Ese wowe urizerera mu Mana basi? Ntago mbizi.
Why I'm asking, I'm just
sinzi mpamvu uri murambaza bigusa.
wondering about it all, I guess.
Alright, okay.
Sawa nta kibazo kubyo wizera byose ntacyo bitwaye.
And when did this happen? Was it when you were up to your chin and texting ass at some whore?
Barasiriza mwe n'abasirikare bombi.
Maybe.
Ariko ntago wambaye imyenda ya gisirikare wasanga n'abacancuro. Atubwo zaura muri Bangkok bizagenda neza.
Think about this shit.
Si mwana ageze utekereza kuzakora kuva na mbere.
What? God and shit? No.
Imana n'umwana bihuriye wapi mwana ngwize ntekereza ko umunsi umwe zabari mu nakora kano kazi.
Why are you interested in this all of a sudden?
Ese basi ugeze ubigira amatsiko y'akazi tuzakora umunsi umwe.
It's natural to wonder about the job.
Ati ni ibintu bisanzwe gushidikanya ku kazi.
I know you don't.
No.
Ndabizi ko utajya ubitekerezaho.
Wanna know why?
Nshaka kwibaza impamvu nanjye.
Because
hasi arasa ngo bari myigaragambyo bano bari kuri za binocular.
you're an asshole.
Hata kazi kose nakora akapfa kuba kari productive. Ikibintu ukora akazi kari non productive katabyara umusaruro. Neko kabaza teko cyo kamaze.
So, what do you think happens after we die?
None se mwana cyayibaza ikizaba nyuma yuko dupfuye.
Nothing happens.
Nta kijya kiba no azaba iki.
Nothing?
Ntacyo.
No.
Nta kimwe.
Alive. Dead?
Chonzi cyo nuko umuntu abari muzima mu nyuma gapfa nyuma yaho rero sinzi biba. Nibyo nabindi.
You believe in nothing?
Kuki wizera ngaho nta kizabaza.
Listen.
Nagari byo navuze.
Exactly what you
No,
just
no,
said.
Nibyo wavuze umfati wimvugira ibyo navuze.
Say that. What I said
Winamika amagambo mwana.
happens after we die.
Icyo navuze nuko nta kiba nyuma yuko dupfuye. Kuko already twapfuye ntago uzi ibikurikira.
So, what is it?
None se niki kiba?
Do or you don't believe?
Nuko utizera cyangwa nuko wizera.
Pick one.
Remember
Itama
what
kimwe.
the doctor said when somebody hands you a weapon and claims it's not loaded?
Ati mwana uzuko nibyo kenshi mfate intwaro ugiye ku rugamba mu nyuma ukabona kitari loaded inama zasarimo.
Verify then trust?
Atariko mu gisiga batwigishije ikintu kimwe cyo verify and then trust. Ujye ubanza verify intwaro wikoreye hanyuma wizera uyigwaye ariko amaje gukora iki ku verify. Muri make nungahabwa intwaro ugiye ku rugamba ngo upfe kwizera ko iri loaded. Tabanje ku verify.
Go.
Tangiye gutekereza neza.
God. Still waiting for verification.
Rero nanjye ugiye kumbaza iby'Imana, Imana nzabanza verify ko ari bone mbone gukora iki nyizere.
Yeah, I hear that.
Nabyo ndabyumva.
Sometimes.
Rimwe na rimwe najya nibaza.
Hello. We got movement.
Bana ndabona hari umuntu utamubuja.
Black SUV.
Ndabona imodoka ya black SUV. Imodoka irinzwe.
Fucker.
Musenzi ndamubona.
You sure this is our guy?
Acheka rero tugomba kurasa.
Like he's lost a lot of weight.
Mana abana yaranutse nimba ari nawe.
Positive.
Hano hari abanyamakuru benshi batandukanye.
I think he might be right.
Ndacyaye gushaka kubyo uvuga ari ukuri.
Time.
Tujye dukora ibirori rero.
Mercs. This prick brought his own private army.
Musenzi yazanye ingabo ziri private.
Does it look?
We got a lot of eyes on this, but yeah.
Ndabona hari abantu benshi batandukanye. Hazi n'imodoka nayo ku ruhande. Umuntu uje baza ari umuntu ukomeye sinzi ashinzwe iki. Haza n'undi mukobwa ku ruhande nawe urinzwe. Ava mu yindi modoka.
Oh.
Wow.
Woohoo!
Kane atware bwana.
Oh shit.
Mwanda.
Oh my god, that must be his newest toy.
Banza ari agakinisho gasaza kari agakobwa. Turakwamaganye umwicanyi. Umugabo bari kwamagana. Kobwa cyangwa ari professional.
He's just with him because of his winning personality, don't
Nta wamenye ibyo uriya mukobwa urumva nayo hari cyamuzanye.
more than we make.
Nta mukobwa upfa guhura n'umugabo nta giciro gihari. Hayare kwa rubanda.
Northwest.
Zirasomana.
3 miles per.
Mutangira kubara hano miles sasu ryagendamo.
Copy that.
Ndakumva.
Zoning in.
Ndema ndakurura neza. Tayari umugabo. Mugabo banza kwitsa umutima. Bare yugarasa. Muvandi bikore. Ara marwacu yonyine. Yararashe umugabo. Kumbe. Umukobwa. Yari tambitse abari baha. Barizo barayimbunda. Mwanda. Rashe umukobwa kurashe umugabo. Manda mwishe mwana. Ntago barashaka cyahumeka.
God, focus.
Man, focusing arasa. Ndasubira mwana dukeneye.
He's not leaving her. She's not just a
Ntago ari veje uriya mukobwa.
Hand.
Umwana fikira focus ku kiganza cyawe. Upima urutwe rw'umugabo. Ngabanza kwitsa imitima. Yewe, aramurashe murashe karubanda.
Take the shot.
Pima mwana. Umeka. Bamwice.
God damn it, you have to take.
Vuba. Oh!
Bingo.
Nziza cyane.
That's a confirmed kill.
Sawa rero turamurangije bive mu nzu tucomoke.
Fine. Tell me.
Mwana agira vuba. Barangije bati ibikoresho byabo. Basore ebyiri, basore bato. Jobira. Basirikare babonye bari hejuru muri etage. Naho bazamuka hejuru. Bakurikira bamaniga. Turore. Bayise take cover. Vuba. Tunguza uburyo umwete. Raka basore ebyiri.
Shit, we're fucked.
Nanda bageraho Rwanda ruherera mane turanaburije.
Remember Beirut?
Ureba muri Beirut.
And we just need to find some sheets.
Bakongera tukabikora bwa cyakino cyishuka.
It didn't work.
Mane muri Beirut nagishuka yakoze.
I broke my ankle. This is twice.
Mane navunitse ukirenge.
Bullshit.
None yari cyane.
Okay.
Harakuru muri Beirut ngo bajya bakoresha amashuka imitaka ariko amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Silka sheet. Basore zivayo. Benjira hakuno. Nta mutaka bari kuri etage hejuru. Mane nkurikire. Mane dan. Turore. Baretse bure. Hayiwe mama kibwacari. Mama jya ku ruhande. Bagabo zivayo.
Contact.
Mane Sam tuza hamwe. Abagara Sam sinzi nindi. Tayari. Basore bana bwe.
Sorry.
Yahangane mama mwihangane. Iyi niyo job yitwa iryankurye. Beje nyangwe chenye. Police naitezamo. Mumbishara abantu barasaneza cyane leta ngaza makuru. Bahise ba posting. Vuba. Basore baramanuka. Baciye mugenza waciki. Haca bapagasi. Bahenguka hakuno. Raka. Bakatya baramwa abasenzi mwe.
Take it easy.
Mugenza gace mwana.
Take it easy.
Mujene gace.
We give up.
Basore bombi.
Thoughts?
Hari cyo gutekereza mwana. Sibye kuraburiza.
Slow.
Yenda gace. Tayari. Kick. Yuri. Nachari wa wundi. Nakubwiye. Bagabona indwanyi. Muri bitandatu byawe ku giti. Urya show. Nakubwiye. Box. Mangumi. Bagabo. Bose n'indwanyi. Bapagasi. Mutwe. Birimira. Yabwe.
Hey.
Bara ducoboke. Batsimunda ya vuba. Nakubwiye firimira. Tuitangiye. Barakomeza. Tinzamo. Arakora gwiki.
Trust me on this one, okay?
Mane namwe dufite nyizera mwana. Trust me on this. Bageza ha?
No. Hey,
Oya.
call this a leap of faith.
Mane bimwe byo gufata ngaro ukwizera nta kundi. Ndahani mahitamo. Baza hakuno. Wa mbere arasimbuka. Ndamugenzi arakurikira. Bajya hakuno kugikamyo. Mbireza igishitingi. Bandi barinzi bavayo. Abasenzi baza wapi? Umadare kamyo bagende bagiriya. Yanya bushozi.
I told you Beirut would have worked.
Bana kuya tegereko muri Beirut yakabayikoze. Ari byabaye muri Beirut. Arakuntu bagiye gusimbuka etage bifashishije amashuka y'ubwoko bwa silky. Sasa ko bagatashye. Bice hakuno mu ndege.
It was a good kill, Sam.
Mani Sam wapimye neza. Sasa Sam baza yisha umuntu base nkaho naye mwabonye film itangira.
That woman, she was breathing.
Ati bano ya mugore warashe n'umutindo ko warashe umutago bakwica arakiri marahumeka ntago yapfuye.
I saw it.
Nabibonye mwana.
And even if she wasn't, she was lip locking with an arms dealing terrorist.
Ariko mwana kama nubwo mudamu wabana mwishere maradiringa n'ikihebe. Shaba gicuzo intwaro.
Guy was a shit.
Arms dealing terrorist.
Bird deluxe.
Aida nakigomba kwicuza ndabyumva.
Yourself in front of the bullet to save him then, Ken.
Mane uriya mukobwa byanga byakurukuntu byagaragaye mbonye mbere yuko ndase kweze yitambikira kira kihebe.
Why would she do that?
Niya mwe batuma uriya mukobwa yitangira ikihebe. Ese ahabwa ngana iki?
Maybe she didn't.
Wasanga atana mwitangiye.
Slipped.
She didn't slip.
Yabaye paraxida. Ntabwo byari paraxida.
Right at me.
Yabanje kundeba, she was looking right at me.
She saw what I was about to do and
Yabonye ibyo nagiye gukora kuko
She wouldn't know what she was looking at.
uriya mukobwa ntabwo arazi byareba. Uriya mukobwa simujya gisirikare yabimenya ati.
She's a hooker.
Uriya mukobwa n'abakobwa bigurisha.
A high-priced one, but
wasanga ari byabikobwa wenda bimaze kuzamura ibiciro abafite abahemba agatubutse.
She threw herself in front of a bullet to
Mafaranga bwo ahabwa ku buryo yakwitangira umuntu
protect him.
agasanga yamurindaga.
Now, if he was such a terrible person,
Man, umuntu nkuriya w'umunyabyaha mubi cyane.
why would she do that?
Niyo bavatubura mukobwa mwitangira.
doesn't matter. It was a good kill.
Man, ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa cyane nuko wapimye umuntu twagomba kwica.
That's what we do.
good
Ibyo
kill
ryo dukora.
the first time.
Man, nakumvisha bwa mbere wibisubiriramo.
Yeah.
Wikomeza kubivuga buri kanya.
If he was a solid, upstanding citizen, he would have never been a target in the first place.
Turiya mukobwa nawe kandi iyo aba ari umuturage usanzwe ntabwo akaba yitangiye icyevuze ngo bose bisa nkaho bari baziranye.
If she didn't want to catch a bullet,
Iyo badashaka kuraswa
she should have been in fucking bed with him.
yakaba ari mu buriri aryamye.
That makes her dirty.
Bivuze ngo n'uyu ni umunyabyaha.
It's simple.
Badiringa gikisa. Wabonye ngo bandi bagasobanura imbere itangazamakuru abantu bose yose bareba.
Simple fuck.
Ntacyo bikanga. Barabiziranyeho. Jensi maniga byaramubabaje. Bwa mbere no kurasa mugenzi byabanje kumunanira. Tam arimo arahamagara.
With it.
Akira muvugane.
Yeah.
Yego. Kongeza amafege.
Hey, Sam. I heard it was rough.
Bite Sam, numvise ko bitari byoroshye.
Yeah,
Cyane.
Okay.
Meze neza se?
yeah, great.
Meze neza cyane.
Collateral damage, Sam.
Ati bayitekana namba ari baramuza akajorite.
You need to talk to someone.
Ariko ugomba gushaka umuntu muganira.
I don't need a fucking shrink, Tam, okay?
Tam nta muntu nyeneye ntabwo nyeneye izo congo zawe unywereza. Nta bikobwa nyeneye biza kunturisha. Sawa ndabyumva.
I'm here, but trust me, we are righteous on this.
Ati ndahari rwose kandi muyizere ko ibintu twakoze byari ibyanya byari bikwiye. Ntagomba kwicuza ibyakoze ko umuntu utwishe twagomba kumuvana mu nzira nabamu akazi.
Think so?
Niko biceka se.
On my life, I would not have put you in a situation like that if it weren't.
Ati rwose umusore muto unyizere ndakuyoboye ntabwo naguca muri situation idahwitse cyangwa zidakwiriye. Ibintu nakoze byari bikwiye.
Doesn't make it any easier, does it?
Nta kintu na kimwe byanyumvisha.
Or I go down easy. So easy.
Mwana bigenze gake n'ubundi byarangiye nta gisubiza inyuma.
Listen,
Sam nyumva neza.
take some time off.
Banza ufate akaruhuko.
There's nothing on the horizon.
Nta bintu bijya byenda kenshi nkuko tubyifuza. Banza utahe mu rugo uburuhutse.
You when I resurface, okay?
Sawa ndaza gusubiza numva ameze neza. Genza mutanzo raporo yuko adatuje.
What?
Ekis.
Dick.
Banu uri umuswa bro.
And?
Hanyuma kuba no umuswa mbihindure iki? Erega no kugira ubwenge nta karaga hato. Jazire bwatinze bavuye mu ijobu. Baza hakuno.
Grab a bite to eat, a beer.
Reka tukajya gusanyira tugasanya n'akabyeri. Ndatumeze neza.
I was just fucking around with all the God talk, you know.
Got nothing.
Mani naganiraga nabirenze mwana. Keni bireke.
All right.
Ni bamushuti.
Why don't you come to Amsterdam?
Ese mwana wazasuye muri Amsterdam.
Get laid.
Tukajya hasi tukadukorana imyitozo tugasangira umubyeri.
Yeah, we'll try.
Mani bifata nk'umuntu ukiri muri high school.
If you're still in high school.
Rero ukiri muri high school.
I understand what you're saying. Is that
Mani ibyo mvuga ndabyumva gusa.
whole refusing to grow up? Is that it?
Mani n'ubundi ndi umuswa waze gukura ku ngufu.
Why don't you go fuck?
Gukura reka ntabwo ari imbaraga wagiye ukiryaga pando.
Not all of you. Well,
Mwana urakuze ariko ntabwo wifata nk'abantu bakuze.
Hey, you went cockeyed. It's not the first time.
Ntabwo ari ubwa mbere mbwiye ayo magambo nta nubwo binantunguye ariko bibaye byizaza muri Amsterdam.
Bad luck.
Tukaba turi kumwe tukanjoyinga tukajyana ibihe byiza. Bose basize imodoka zabo ziri hakuno. Tayari. Job irarangira ariko mugenzi Samba mwaye akaruhuko ngo agenda abanza tuze muri we. Yarashe umuntu mugenzi biramubabaza. Cyakene cyo gihora muri blague nacyo nabikibwiye. Bwatinze. Mensi zarageze irihirika. Buriya kenshi abantu bashaka kujya muri car vacation ava mu mujyi akajya ahantu mbari mu cyariyo. Niko abantu benshi baruhuka mu mutwe ugahungura urusaku rwa Kigali. Kajya nyine mbari ya mbari. Ariko igitangaje vana ngo giye mu karuhuko kagiye Gisenyi. Hari urusaku kure kuronza rw'ubusizi Kigali. Tayare maniga izi hakuno majyamba buriya. Aha wenda nka Bugesera Nyabwishongo y'isi Nyaga White. Hirya ukagenda ukabace impande y'inka. Urumva? Nubwo nawe hinduka menka gace ariko nta kibazo. Nta muntu nutse. Genze maniga hakuno 50 aho yukoze iki? Aza kuruhukira. Fata inka hakuno akaza kwasinkwi. hey ni therapy ariya therapy ubwo navuga mu kinyarwanda na no uburyo bumwe bwo kuba watuza mu mutwe Ken yatangiye kujya hamagara mu nshuti imbere yakuno harimo arasi ibiti tayari nakitozo kama saa y'icuma yamara kwitunganya fata akabyeringa ibisanzwe buriya abantu babazi ukuntu bakorera amafaranga yabo nuko bayarya ariko diski buriya abanyafurika nako reka reka gutunga abantu intoki buriya gusirimukana ibintu bizagora abantu umuntu akorera amafaranga yajya kuyarya akajya kwiyica bro ukajya kwiyahuza bya surudu wirukanwa ibiyoga ukiyica ukaza kweri amafaranga yakoreye yiki kumwe inzoga naga ntakibazo kirimo aho unywa n'inzoga zisirimutse zisobanutse kumbe nyirabuja Tamara atangira guhamagara aramumiyoringa arabana baje b'iminsi ngo bazi icyongereza ngo muting ngo no kumumiyoringa amaze kumumiyoringa za hakuno kuzibura imbunda buriya ngo imbunda imaze iminsi nayo itagira iragira ikaziba arazibura itarasa kwa abantu baza kuruhuka hakuriye akoreye amafaranga ye akiraho maniga haje Wolf yakuze imaze gukurira agendera hora shaka rero filime sasa maniga shiramo arebye Wolf kunireba amaso yayo rimwe n'umweru dede irindi burero kurebana n'inyamaswa mu mazi gatubona kari inyamahoro rangije erikomereza
Happy hunting, friend.
tugira umuhigo mwiza nshuti happy hunting friend telefone irongera sona bwa mbere yahamagawe arayimiyoringa barongera baramuhamagara yitonze
Hey, Tam.
Ego Tam. Nyirabuja.
I'm good. What's up?
Ya meze neza meze bite.
Oh, you know, just, hanging out.
Ya ndahangamba nibereye mu rugo. Bikijya mbere. Aha, ego. Bwatinze. Nimba ndi job yabonetse. Ku buryo urwara vuba vuba. Tayari kumeza rwa mushuti. Uyiwe ngo yanze gukura.
Fucking surface.
Bwara rwose ahisemo gufata ikirere.
How many emails and texts are you going to ignore from me?
Bwara uzanca maze kujya kwandika ama email ama message.
You know your girlfriend was almost losing her fucking mind because you're out.
My girlfriend mother kwandika nunamusubiza.
I'm sure he was going to show up.
Bane oyera Tamara mwubaki kuri inshuro.
This would be here. Oh.
Ntabwo nari ko rwose munemera akaza ko Tamara wamwemereye.
You see? You had faith.
Tafite ibyiringiro ndabikunze nabyo.
2 words for you. Blow me.
Oh.
Agamba biri basazi wawe mesa.
Fuck you.
Oh, fuck you.
Kiryaga paro naye kiryaga pando.
Fuck you.
Kiryaga paro nawe. Ni bwatinze. Bozana hakuno. Dore umujyi. Bamani gabaye witata we.
Frankfurt.
Babaze muri Frankfurt.
So how was Amsterdam?
Mana Amsterdam aremeze gutese.
New low in terms of sexual excess.
Tusibye ikintu cyari cyaraneze no kugakubita nta kindi.
Very hungover.
Rwose hangover yarandenze kubera kugakubita cyane. Wamunanira uterwa n'amayoga.
Tam, say anything else?
Ariko Tamara yabakugese.
About the job.
Uri ko maze bijyanye n'akazi se?
No, about
Oya.
Tam.
Nabijyanye nanjye nyine.
About me.
Naje nakumbwiye Tamara. Bamudamu bakazi.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Ndebutse.
Don't forget to pack your binoculars
Yambwiye ngo nkubwire ngo nibagirwe gupakira za jomeri zawe.
so you can see your tiny cock.
kugira ngo ujye ukurura akabanda yawe gatoyi.
No.
Shoferi agenda yisekera.
Why?
Rwo rwihorera muri buraga masazo rwa Ken.
Time this morning.
Tamara twavuye muri gitondo.
After this, I'm done.
Bullshit.
Yambwiye ngo nyuma y'akazi ngo barata bansezerera. No mwanda.
I'm not joking.
Bana ntabwo urimo urakina.
Ken. I'm serious.
Ken ndi serious. Tamara twavuye namubwiye nyuma y'akazi ndahita mba retire ndahita mba mu kazi. Ni job ya nyuma.
It's time.
Nicyo gihe. Job tuyikoze imyaka 10 n'ingahe? Almost 20 years. So nicyo gihe mbe retired. Sagabo ziza hakuno.
Nice, right?
Bana hano arasa neza.
Less than usual anyway.
Ntabwo byumvikana uburyo batuzana hano ngaha.
Welcome, gentlemen.
Rakaza neza abagabo. Komeza imbere.
Are you?
Babakiriza ibyo kunywa.
Thanks.
Aya mani ibyo ntabwo ari ngombwa. Ken wakunda kuryoshya.
Take your bags.
Mwoza n'ibikapu byanyu banyakubahwa.
Okay.
Ntabwo arabyumva.
Okay.
Please.
Babakiriye muri hoteli yeze kandi ni abanyabiraka.
Prick.
Ya muswa gusa.
Maybe.
Wenda da. Cyakene nicyo kikunda kuryoshya amapfa kuba atari mu kazi.
Yeah.
Yego.
Donkey. Oh, that's unfair.
Bari byo ntabwo bikwiye nubwo twe nano hari abantu utazi.
Oh, only the fucking donkeys are lying.
Mukenda akoresha imvugo zitari sawa.
We get more donkeys, right? That's not
Mwana ari rwose amapunda menshi abari amapunda yose nta punda bitari ipunda.
assholes. We like fungus.
Bana rwose uri umuswa birenze uko bikeka gusa.
Or is fun guy.
Ati wenda icyo waba ushaka cyose nta kibazo.
Or a fun guy.
Bana uri umuntu ushimishije. Bazugira zitari blague bwari mwe.
Ouch. Nice segue though. Yeah.
Koresha imvugo nziza.
I'm so
Kandi byari byiza.
can't enjoy it.
Byari ndabyenjeye nga kuvuga amagambo atameshe. Babazanye muri hoteli. Bakana hano buto.
Are you sure this is our room?
Baracyeza bizana ku cyumba cyo utuzanyemo.
Yes, yes.
Kana buto mari dakikuraho.
Yeah?
Hargo sano no babateguriye.
No.
Benekira. Babazanye muri etage hejuru ahera kuri floor ya nyuma. Brett.
You sure? Right? This
Uri sure hano no tukagomba gutura.
yeah?
Cyara rwose no babateguriye. Icyumba kirimo akabari.
Hey, Ken, check it out.
Kene ngwiriye mwana.
It's silk sheets.
Yama silk sheet yama shuka ya silk.
The bed again.
I shit the bed once.
Bari icyo kitana bari sa mwana. Bana yituma umuntu agikorera ibyo akora byose nacyangiza.
Thank you.
Akira akantu hano hakuno. Babasukira champagne. Kene nibwo buzima bayishakira bworoke.
Sam, she's upgraded us.
Ati rwose no Rwanda rwatamara natunganyirije hano hantu.
Seeing as it's our last run together, it's a present.
Ati rwose ni nk'ari imana ko ari uwo mukino wanyuma tugiye gukorana. Wibuka yareze byo Tamara ko ari bukore akazi kanyuma. Sasa Tamara abatunganyiriza ahantu hari VIP ahenze cyane. Ati nubwo nakazi kanyuma tugiye gukorana. Akira nawe champagne murakoze nago nywa.
Hey, would you mind closing the curtains, please?
Ari cyazo bayifunza ayo marido.
Sunset. We'll be.
Ati arakazuba keza.
It's great.
Mukanya murabwije ariko mwareka.
Thanks.
Yafungiye amarido.
Appreciate it.
Kandi ndabishimye.
Yeah, we'll figure out the rest. Thanks.
Ibindi tuzaza kumenya mu nyuma. Kandi urakoze.
As you wish.
Nkuko mubyifuza.
I'm Mirko.
Banta Mirko.
If you need anything,
Niba ugira icyo mukenera.
anything, just call.
Icyo ari cyo cyose muhamagare gusa.
Thank you.
Sawa murakoze. Ngo nyirabuja bateguriye ahantu hari VIP cyane benjoyinga ubuzima.
Hey, we have...
Cyane kumwe rwo kazi kanyuma. Mana urize n'ahantu nkaha.
No, I'd remember it.
Hana ndiko mbyibukasha nawe nigeze n'urameze gutyo.
Deja vu.
Hana habirenze ariko.
I said deja vu in case you missed.
Ndavuze ngo deja vu mwana. Munyuta yishimiye.
Come on.
Gwenano.
Give it to me.
Ndaho basi mereza ibyo ngibyo.
And I'm fucked.
What are you
Nanu ugiye kuva mu kazi ngiye kuraburiza.
talking about?
Baravuga ibikisi.
I'm a spotter. They don't need me.
Je ndi spotter. Ndi umuntu gucungira umuryango gupima. Ntago banyeneye njewe.
Bullshit. You can
Ariko na
shoot.
No,
nawe warasa.
like you.
Ntago ngo ko narasa ko ntago narasa nkawe. Sasa mugenzi kene maramubwira ati uramuka uvuye muri kano kazi. Nyina yindi job nzabona.
Rare your abilities, do you?
Mwana we nagusa ububasha bwawe n'ubushobozi bwawe.
I've only lasted this long in the company because I partner well with you.
Ati mwana natinze muri company nyirambamo kubera ko twakoranaga nari partner wa n'umwunganizi wawe.
You! Why do you think Tam flirts with you all the time? You're the best fucking shooter we got.
Ibaza naye mabura tsoye muri hotel nk'ihenze no kugira ngo base nk'ugutereta ugume mu kazi.
And everybody knows it.
N'abantu bose
You're
barabizi.
selling yourself short.
Ken urimo abishyira ku rundi rwego.
Being honest,
Mani mo nakubera umunyakuri.
I could think on my feet. get out of tight spots.
Man, nshaka kuba nakora ibice byose amakosa yose nakora ariko mwana wowe kuba ndi muri kano kazi nukubera wowe.
I'm a smooth operator. I'm a way better fucker.
Very.
Man, mfasha.
I ain't you. Nobody is.
Wowe kugutse dukorana nawe n'umuntu twanashobora kuba twanakorana.
It's a good kill, Sam.
Man, wishe umuntu uriya muntu wamwishe neza pe. Nta kosa wakoze.
It was legal,
Niyo munsi biracyamurya.
sanctioned, and just.
Man, rwose ibintu wakoze byari bikwiye kandi byari bikwitse.
Why can't you just fucking get that?
Sinzi niba wowe utabyiyumvishe buryo cyakoze akazi keza.
That woman sacrificed herself, Ken, okay? She sacrificed
Ken nikangubwira umugore yitangira umugabo aramupfira.
Who gives a
herself.
fuck?
Ibu byose ninde bireba.
Did you do that for someone?
For that
Ese wowe wakwitangira umuntu.
motherfucker?
No, I
hell
mean-
no.
Umusenzi ngura nabikora.
For anyone.
Ndakubaza hari umuntu we wakwitangira.
Tell you what.
Who?
You
Yes.
fucking ass pound.
Wewe nakwitangira basi.
Exactly my point.
Iyo niyo ngingo yanjye.
And that is why I gotta leave, bro, because
Niyo mpamvu ngomba kuva muri kano kazi.
I'm a risk to you now. You
Man, rwose nawe ndi ikibazo.
understand that? I'm a risk to you. The day that I
Mwana nawe ndi ikibazo kuri kubera ko
shot that woman,
umunsi naje uriya mugore
something changed in me,
hari
okay?
ikintu cyahindutse muri njye.
Everything changed.
Kandi ibintu byose byarahindutse.
I'm a different person now.
Man, ndi umuntu utandukanye. Ibintu byo kwicarana birambiwe. Nemereye mabuja gukora kano kazi ariko kanyuma nkahita mva mu ijob. Cyakeni cyarababaye.
Staring through a scope my whole fucking life, and now I want to see what it's like without it, you know?
Man, sinshaka kuzaba buno ubuzima rwose ndashaka kubaka umuryango, nshaka umugore n'ibyarire nimenye ubuzima busanzwe bw'abantu basanzwe.
I'm sorry, bro.
Kandi wihangane bro, kuba ngiye kuva muri kano kazi kandi wazi ko maniga naramuka avuye muri kano kazi nta yandi mafaranga azongera gukoraho
Really? I am.
kuko baba bari kumwe niyo mpamvu abona ibiceri. Kandi wihangane bro.
And I get why you feel like that, but I'm done.
Bane sinzi uko bifata ariko akazi nabirangije.
Okay? That's it. I'm out.
Ndana akazi nakavuyemo.
I'm sorry.
Kandi wihangane mwana.
Fuck.
Anda. Saze sana.
How did Tamara take it?
None se Tamara yabyakiriye ati mabuja.
Yeah, well, she wasn't happy.
Ntago nawe byamunejeje.
But, you know, she wasn't surprised either.
Usibye ko nubwo byanamutunguye nubwo bitamunejeje. Wabye expectingaga. Wow.
I thought she'd throw a epic shit fit, to be honest.
Ati ntago mabuja byarangira gutyo gusa.
Yeah, well-
Nakubeshye.
To be honest, she said the same thing about you.
Nawe nanjye niko yakumbwiyeho.
Yeah, well, I do love a hissy fit.
Sibye ko mwana nashimye ibyo tujyanye. Nyirabuja ntabwo yabyishimiye.
Really, I am, but
Mwana Ken umbabarire.
just feels like it's time.
Njye ndi kumva aricyo gihe mve muri kano kazi.
So, this is it then?
Bivuze ngo nta kazi turangirije.
This is it.
Nibyo mwana niko bimeze.
One last dance to square us.
Bane dusigaje kubyina imbyino ya nyuma cyangwa se job ya nyuma nkacomoka.
Hell. Nothing lasts forever, right?
Mwana nubone nta biramba iteka.
Got a penthouse,
Akaba ni gashire.
champagne.
Reka twinywere champagne nakundi.
That loves the night. We got what
Nubone ni ijoro ryatari.
days before we have to be out in the boonies.
Dusigaje iminsi ngahe mbere yuko tutahindukana.
As well enjoy.
Reka tumwemo. Ntabwo byatuma niheba ku buryo numva ko ubuzima burangiye kuba dutandukanye.
You're a good friend.
Mwana njye nawe turi inshuti magara, turi inshuti nziza.
About time you noticed.
Bwa mbere urabisobanukiwe noneho.
I also have a humongous.
Ego?
Atangira za mvugo
Is
ze.
that what we're gonna do now? We're
None
gonna
tuzakora
each
iki?
other's sentence.
Well, I'm gonna
Interuro yacu irarangirira hano cyangwa.
have to, right? Because otherwise you're not going to stop talking about it.
Ndabizi tutari burekere kuvuga bakira abakomanzi.
They need one of those cards to get the elevator to this floor.
Harya hari amakarita afungura esanseri.
Yeah.
Baretse gato. Baza hakuno.
God.
Baba nutwuje tubiri.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hello.
Hello.
We're here for your massages.
Batwereje ngo twakore ka massage. Urebe filime.
A gift from management and your boss.
Ni impano ya management y'i hotel hamwe na boss wanyu.
You know the word of the day?
Yeah.
Ijambo ry'umunsi ni irihe? Mwatubwira ijambo ry'umunsi?
Haberdashery?
Haberdashery.
Haberdashery.
Bababwira ari ukuntu abasirikare bagira kode kugira ngo yinjire ahantu. Haba ari nk'ijambo rya kode rigomba kwinjiza aho hantu.
Yeah, we're good.
Tumeze neza.
Come on up.
Sawa mwinjire kandi n'abakingurira.
2 hot chicks.
Bari ibyuki bibiri nk'ibi. Ufuceceka nunda nawo umupadiri bwawe.
Now I believe in God.
Kenny yikundira gusinda n'abana nta kindi. Kenny.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, iyi niyo sinarotaga. Aibe.
First class all the way, right?
Mane ibi nibyo narotaga bro. Kumbe uyiberaho nka padiri we.
Tell me you're not gonna miss this.
Nezere ko ibintu tazabikumbura.
Not gonna miss this.
Yewe sinzabikumbura pe.
Sack of shit.
Bane kubura uryamye gutya umwana yemara kumasa.
Hey.
Urupantaro.
Sorry, what's your name?
Harya mbaburetse gato witwa?
Her name is Mona.
Bamwita Mona.
I am Lily.
Je nitwa Lily.
Mona, you mind closing the drapes, please?
Ari byabi gutwa biramutse ufunze ayo madirishya.
It gives me an itch having it open, okay? Just please.
Ntago bari byiza mufungiyo.
Whatever relaxes you.
Ikigo guha amahoro rwose turagikora. Sara cyo bitwaye ifunga ayo marido.
Ready?
Uriteguye?
You know what? I'm not sure I'm up for it.
Sinzi ibyo kuvuga ngo nitegura ibyo ari byo gusa.
I'm not really into it.
Ntago mbirimo pe.
What'd I tell you about him?
Naraganje mabwa kuri uyu muvandimwe wanjye.
What'd I say?
Nkuko nabivuze.
His tight ass can't even enjoy a rub and tug.
Uyu niwe muntu azabenje kubuzima nk'abandi basore bose.
Wanna lay down?
Baretse gato ngumase. Aka kavayo. Baretse gato ngangwe n'ecara nkwereke.
Over here. Come.
Kwina nkwereke. Notko cyo wabayereje ngo tubakorere massage.
Okay.
Okay. Karangije. Charure bana gutya.
What are we doing here?
Urakora ibiki?
Adjusting your chakra.
Ndimo nareba chakra yawe.
Oh, adjusting my...
Cyangwa se cyo nakatanga igero.
Oh, she's got hidden talents.
Ukaba sanga afite impano zihishe.
What else can the lovely Mona do, huh?
Ese mbona n'ikindi wakora?
I can tell you your future.
Ushaka kuba nakubwira ahazaza hawe.
Oh, you can?
Wabikora se?
She's a fortune teller.
Yeah, sure.
Uone fortune teller.
Yes.
Gote.
You're wasting your time with him, doll.
Yewe mugabo musore urimo aratere turimo arangiza igihe cyawe.
He's a spiritual black hole.
Uwo musenze mu mutima we habamo umwijima gusa sinzi ko wamufatije.
I used to say, everyone has a spirit.
Mama njya akunda kumbwira ko buri muntu agira roho cyangwa se umwuka umugendaho.
Whether they believe in it or not.
Sinzi waba ubyiza cyangwa utabyiza ariko nta muntu utagira roho.
Used to read palms.
Mama yakunda gusoma ibiganza.
I learned from her.
Naye nabimwigiyeho.
Oh, not any fortune teller.
Hey, wow, usanga avuga ibintu byazaza.
Next thing I know, you'll be telling me you got a crystal ball.
Ibyo mbwira byose ariko ndumva ufite confidence ariko
course.
ntabwo napfa kubyizera confidence nazifite.
Really?
Get the
Uri serious?
For real?
Munko uri serious wasoma azaza umuntu?
I carry it with me all the time.
Ati ni impano nakuye kuri mama ariko nanyina igihe cyose.
Yeah?
Okay.
For luck.
Kubw'amahirwe.
I will tip you a solid 100 if you show me your crystal ball.
Ngaho bazi nyereka uriya crystal ball cyangwa se ya mipira yerekana impano z'abantu. Ndaguha amadolari 100.
Okay.
Okay, ibyo gusa.
She's literally going to get the ball right now.
Agiye kuzana agapira nonaha. Ni ubupira bukoreshwa n'abiga ba gypsy cyangwa se ba gypsy bavuga ibintu byazaza. Kubaragira iyo myizerere. Kumbe ko byanya byo umukobwa afite ya crystal ball.
Wizard shit!
Ati wazosika agapira ko muri Harry Potter bakoreshaga
Wait.
bara ibyazaza.
On.
Buretse gato.
See you use it. I've never had
Kanyereka basi uburyo ugakoresha.
crystal ball.
Kugira ne bazaza hanye muri crystal ball.
Confess the ball is just a prop for tourists.
Ati ntago ari ibintu byo gukinisha ndabona mwabigize nk'ari blague.
Aye.
Ubaye iri serious akari tukuja ku tourist.
But the palms are for real.
Ushaka kutizera iri crystal ball ariko ibiganza byo abari ibyanyabyo.
For life.
Ndarahira ku buzima bwanje ibiganza nibyo bibeshya palms never lie.
All right. Say no more.
Hey, usawe uvuga byinshi ngwino ndebere. Ndebe iki kiganza cyanjye kivuga.
You don't like to stay in one place.
Ati usanga uri umuntu udakunda kwicara ahantu hamwe
And you don't wish to grow old.
kandi ntabwo ujya wifuza gusaza kandi nkuko manika niko ameze.
You want to be a bad boy your whole life.
Ushaka kuzaba ari umusore uryoshye ibihe byawe byose.
Ladies.
Kumbe umukobwa yavuze imyanya by'umanika niko ameze.
Yes, I see much physical exertion is.
Niyo mpamvu wari mu dusiporo umukiri mutoya.
On the bell.
I like her.
Ko baramwishimiye pe arashimishije.
What about my boy over there?
Ngaho soma ibiganza bya mushiti wanjye.
What does his say?
We ikiganza cyo gisobanuye iki?
Let's
Wowe ugafata ikiganza ngaho katurebe. Urebe.
you wait.
Oh, I'm excited.
Imana njye natunguwe pe.
What?
Ko bafata ikiganza
What is it?
gikangamo. Yewe ni iki? Ntiyavuga.
Ladies, they love you too.
Yewe nawe abagore baragukunda. Asa nkaho ari ibyahishe.
Okay, and? What else?
hanyuma n'iki kindi wabonye
I thought you didn't believe.
ariko wambwiye ko ibintu utajya ubyizera
I don't believe. I just,
ntabwo mbyizera gusa
I don't know, curious. What else?
mwana mfigize amatsiko gusa n'ikintu ubonye
What'd you see? Tell me.
wambwiye ibintu ubonye wambwiye
No, you have a strong faith.
ugira ukwizera gukomeye
That
gusa
But what?
gusa iki
but you follow a false idol.
Sorry, doll. You whiffed that one.
icyo bazi giswase
As a non-believer of the highest order.
ntatuye niwe muntu wo ku rwego rwe utajya apfa kwizera
It's just not for long.
arizera ahubwo ntabwo ajya yizera by'igihe kirekire
Da impinge?
Da.
mwamukeneye perezida cyangwa iki ahubwo asanga hari ibindi amuhishe kadufata ikintu cyo kunywa
Why not?
iki cyambuza kunywa se bakiri aho ahabwe nyirabuja yatanze hari ibiceri babiteho rwose
No expense, huh? Could be.
bwana bintu atari kabisa ibintu ibyo twabateguriye udufuruwi bazanye hakuno udufuruwi
Dili, открой шторы.
avuga n'ikiri batazi
Заткнись.
What's wrong with
arajugunye asa icyo kibazo maniga vayo aho no muri hoteli se nkaho yirukanye abakobwa yewe
Don't want those doors open.
yewe bivaye amadirishya ngo yafungura kugira ngo winjire akayaga umuryango rwose yameze neza mureba hanze
Close the curtains.
ndavuze ngo funga amarido nonaha funga imiryango
Hey, Grump, I love this. Look, you can see for miles here.
maniga arebye neza arajya hakurya wina tane isasu byanyabyo mugire vuba vuba baza babagambaniye
Yeah,
kandi umeze neza ameze neza
good. You see?
hakurya yewe uramubonye ndamubonye
Southwest.
ari kwina taje majyepfo y'iburasirazuba y'uburengerazuba southwest
Paperglass. Reinforced.
ikintu cyo bita
The shots are off.
mwana ba
Shut those drapes. Where's that remote?
telekomandire dufungane amadirishya tayare ngo masasu kumbe abaseriveri nabo n'abicanyi na seriveri kazi karamwataka mugeri vuba byihuse
Keep your head down.
barekera umutwe hasi barahaguruka binabyikemurira ik gakobwa nakubwiye kuri bitandatu byawe urya cuba ku giti ukwezi kose rakayuri kik byajyamo gakobwa nako turore babatumye aho abicanyi taje barimo gakobwa kamuzonga yewe utatagicaho
Sniper, this
kamuze yewe umusniper ari hakurya iriya atambika agakobwa baragaha cyebwe cyatawe nta seriveri wundi avayo aza gufata telekomande ifunga amarido kik
shit. Fuck him up, Sam.
samu mani arwana samu agishyize imbere ye kiri kuri opposite n'idirishya n'ubundi wapima yapima igiseriveri samu arimo arakitsimbamo asenze sha seriveri nakubwiye max mavu kuri bitandatu byawe byashoboka ukwezi kose
Come on, stop toying with it.
mani samu akubise umusanzu ukagukina izo mbaraga zawe mani umusanzu nawe n'indwanyi bagabo ziragigira mushyira hasi mucisha bugufi
Who do you work for?
ukorera nde irya nk'apando yewe ndahabura gato yewe bagabo kivaze mena amazuru
Goddamn curtains are open.
mwana amarido arafunguye mwana
Focus.
samu fokasinga
Assholes down. Two across the way to go.
abasenzi babiri bari hasi abandi babiri bari hakurya muri etaje
Winning.
bindi bikiri ku
Fire.
ni ukubera iki ceceke
Sam, your phone?
samu telefoni yawe
It's in my jacket in the back.
nayisize ku ijakete mu cyumba yawe se ntago ahiri nahagera
Case.
Case is...
naza kesi yawe y'imbunda
Get to it. Where's your
kesi iri kuri kontwari y'akabari
sidearm?
It's it.
dore umwanda imbunda ziri kure
Bedroom.
You put it in the safe? Why did you put it in the goddamn safe?
naraza kuki imbunda bayishyize muri sefu mwana
I don't know. I just wanted to put it in a safe place.
nashaka kwikira ahantu harinzwe n'amabara yashyize mu kabati
Shit! Fuck!
anda
Leave my cover here.
All right, Ken.
mani keni
You got a spot to move to?
ntakuba hano ntabwo upfa kumusha ushaka kumusha gato hagati hakurasa Anyway, hano ni filime yiswe Take Cover. Ja cover.
3,
And 3.
1.
Rimwe. Kabiri. Genda vayo. Chawe. Bamara sirju mumetso. Anyway. Bana we.
That's my ass cheek!
Bana mumetso ande bara open the bro. Niran mwitsi hangane.
Yeah, I'm good.
Anyway.
Lily,
Bana.
Lily, listen.
Riri tuza we mamwe bakamutuze.
Stay calm, okay?
We tuza muko.
Head down.
Shira umutwanyu hasi gusa.
Down. You understand what I'm saying?
Uranyi vyo ndimo navuga cyane.
Down.
Mubwira amagambo ari kuvuga.
Lily, shh. Smiri se.
Bafitira bavuga nari gicuru twani.
Lily. Lily, odgovori mi.
Arasunika arumva.
Slušaj.
Yewe Lili umva.
Stani.
Basi tukana umaza gufite. Just sha blood pressure mutima uri guterera hejuru.
Besides, we're fucked?
Yeah, but
Mana turaraburije.
Fucked.
Ya turaraburije nyine.
None!
Twade tekereza.
come on, Ken. This is what you do, right?
Kandi simye ibintu kandi ibintu byo dukora sibyo.
This is your shit. What?
Kandi wowe uzi kurebera sniper hari bumevuze ngo ushaka ko wamenya bitarano sniper ari aho umuntu yacica cyangwa yakwepera.
What do we do? Think about it.
Yeah!
Mana bantu tekereza nzora byo twakora iki? Twajije nganya mu sniper tukaba twavana amahoro.
Yeah, okay.
Sawa.
Yeah, I got this.
Benabikemura.
Let me think.
Baze nekereze.
The lights!
Amatara mwana amatara.
Lights.
Amatara.
We can take a couple of lights out, okay?
Tuzimya amatara makeya.
Yeah, good.
Zimya irya mbere. No yazimya irindi.
That'll do for now.
Aho byakora wenda.
But there are still lights.
Ariko hari andi matara akiri maraka.
No, we don't want it completely dark.
Oya ntabwo dushaka umwijima kose haza umwijima.
Why? Then they get...
They have
Oya ntabwo twazimya amatara yose.
night vision scopes on.
Bashobora kuba bakoresha za night vision.
Half light is better than no
Bivuze ngo kuba hari urumuri ruke rutari rwinshi cyangwa atari umwijima.
light, okay?
Nibyo byiza.
Girls, who has a phone here?
Yango bakora n'utu telefone.
I do.
Ndayifite.
Where?
Iri he?
In my bag.
Iri mu gakapu kanjye.
Where's your bag?
Agakapu kawe kari he? Kuri tabure.
I might as well be in China.
Nyagasani agakapu kari kurajya mu Bushinwa.
Lily,
Lili.
talk to me.
Lili mvugisha.
Talk to me.
Kano katitiye namwe washaka kuvuga.
Lily.
Oya.
Lily, odgovori mi.
Lili banza wumve.
Lily, telefon.
Telefone.
Lily, ne znam da. She's so scared she's forgetting English.
Umva yagize ubwoba kurya agize natajya kwibagirwa icyongereza.
In her bag too, but she
Igikapu mu telefone mu gikapu cye nawe.
doesn't know where it is.
Ariko ntabwo azaba yarambitse agakapu ke.
Well, let's take a look for it.
Ngaho basi katuyishake telefone ye.
Stay down. Stay.
Guma hasi mugo. Tabuje.
You see her?
Yeah, I can see.
Sam uri kumubona.
Watch Sam for cues. Do not move until he says
Komeza urebe maso ya Sam ku buryo utari bubuje sibyo. Aho uri aratekanye. Maniga baryamutwitse ku muhumetso. Ken wakora biki?
a fucked up version of Tetris with live ammunition.
Bane twebwe ibintu twakoze kuva kera ibintu.
Shot.
Oh, okay. Thanks,
Bane
Dad.
bakurasha bakoze papa. Kubungira impu.
Baby, I see it.
Bane kapuri bona kabona.
First,
Can you get to it?
hang tight, folks.
Kaza gerageza nawe buryo kirasimbuka.
Wait.
Buretse.
Mona, Ken's gonna dive behind the pillar.
Ken agiye gusimbukira kana kantu sibyo?
Come to me.
Asimbukire kunuza ku nkingi nawe ukisimbuka hano.
Ready?
Uriteguye?
Ready, Ken?
Ken uriteguye?
Right, 3.
Ken asimbuka n'umukobwa atasimbuka za hakuno. Enda truwa. Chawe sasu. Ken itsimbano. Kobwa nabaza hakuno.
Keep trying, son.
Abagerageza mwabasere mwana mwapima.
Since I was an itch in my dick.
Basi kwagusa.
God damn it, you lunatic.
Aro umusazi kweli.
You're welcome, man.
Kaza neza bro.
You know,
Bana mu mukandara.
I've been thinking.
Bana Sam nani muratekereza ibiki?
I watched a game of baseball last night.
Bana joro ryasere byira match ya baseball. Cyo kibahurira muri Braga amasaha yose.
I tried to tell you, bro.
Bana gerageje kubwira. Chawe. Kano karajire. Bebwe tata we. Afite ubwoba.
Stay down.
Waguma hasi wakagora igiwe. Guma hasi.
Da se pomeraš, Lily!
Yamubwira mu gicuncu ari kiri biki wabo.
Upravo ti je spasio
Lili umva.
život.
Stay down.
Tuza uhame hamwe.
I'm not gonna let you go. I got it.
Ntago natuma uraburiza urumva.
Ken, she's fucking losing it, bro.
Ken uyu mukobwa atangiye gupanika atangiye gucuwa mu mutwe.
Oh, yeah, baby.
Agakapana gakurura ni Ken.
I got it.
Nakabonye agakapu.
All right.
Rangije.
I need her security code for the phone. What is it?
Nene kode y'i telefone. Password.
Koja ti je šifra?
Avaga mu kirimi cy'iwabo.
No,
Nula.
I need the security code.
Nene kode y'ifungura
I need
telefone.
the security code in English.
Mu cyongereza please.
Please.
5150.
5150.
All right.
Sawa. Haro yahamagaye.
Ocean Valley Insurance.
Ocean Valley Insurance.
May I direct your call?
Nigute nabayobora umuhamagaye.
Claims case 6661.
Mumamagariye gatandatu rimwe.
Please hold while we verify.
Mbaretse gato mu gihe tukirimo turaverifya.
Ken, why are you calling on this number?
Call Ken kuchamagaje iyi nimero.
Not be a code.
Code blue? Yeah.
Code blue.
We're under fire.
Bana turimo turaraswa. Hamagaye nyirabuja.
Okay, just keep talking.
Komeza uvuge.
Where are you?
Muri hehe?
The hotel.
Turi kuri hotel muri penthouse.
There's nothing but windows and very little cover.
Ati rwose tutarano mamara dupira mu mirahure nako mu
I have
madirisha.
an iron pinned down.
Kumbuka bwira nyirabuja kuri za kuri machine.
We're alive.
Njye na Sam rwose twaraburije.
Dan, anything to add to that?
Hari ikintu wakongeraho?
Hurry up and get us the fuck out of here!
Umbarata tabaragira vore y'uburyo cyo tuvana hano.
Any idea who we're dealing with?
None se mwamuza muhanganye nabo.
I don't know, but the shooter's in a tower to my southwest.
Nta kintu tuzi byo kuri murasa imbare y'epfo y'uburengerazuba. Southwest.
It's like,
Ari mu nyubako hejuru.
an apartment building, office space, something like that. Either way, we're trapped and we need to
Bisa nk'ari ibintu byari byapangwa ko umuntu ari mu ryari maradupima ari
get the fuck out of here.
muri etaje irebana n'iyacu birebana.
Penthouse?
That's where you put us.
I did
Aho wadushize.
not.
Ntabwo ari abanyanyarwanda muri iyo hoteli.
Whose phone
Bikangamo.
are you using?
Aho muri telefone muri ni yawe ndi.
The massage girls you sent up as a gift, which I'm presuming
Abakobwa batwereje hano nk'ari abakobwa baje kudukorera za massage mwadoye nk'impano.
is
Ni
absolutely.
telefone imwe muri abakobwa bakoresha. Sasa Tamaro baramwe ngo hotel batwereje muri turimo unati mwibeshye nangare naboherejemo.
Bullshit.
Byo ni umwanda.
They had the word of the day, Tam.
Bana abakobwa bari bazi n'ijambo ry'umunsi rituma twemerera umuntu kwinjira mu nzu yacu.
Are they still there? Alive?
Baracyari bazima si.
Yeah. There's a dead merc and the concierge was in on it too.
Bimwe mu bikozi byano nicyo umuntu yivuganye.
I was a secret
Ariko abakobwa baracyari bazima.
fucking ninja.
Igikobwa cy'igiseriveri cyari kimeze nk'ininja.
But the girl's a civilian.
Ariko abakobwa bo ni abasivili.
Are you sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah. They're scared to death and not faking it.
Ati ntabwo ari ibintu nafakinga nkurikije ubwoba bafite n'ukuntu batitiye.
I can tell.
Bibi ntabwo basanzwe babimenyera ibya gisirikare.
Then how did they get the word of the day?
None se gute wamenya ijambo ry'umunsi rituma mubemerera kwinjira? Kode yanyu y'ibanga.
We have them all, Tam. Someone set us up.
Ati ko biri koza dufite abasenzi batugambaniye.
How many people knew we'd be here?
Ase ni bangahe bari bazi ko turi muri hoteli?
It's a very short list.
Ni abantu bakeya n'ubundi usanga dukorana.
Look, this penthouse is running out of cover fast. We need help.
Ati mwana ibyo ngibyo twibite naho abari bazi aho turi nta kibazo dukeneye ubufasha byihuse.
Any more assets in town?
Hari abandi bantu batweza hano mu mujyi bazi bakudutabara.
I have some favors to call in. Keep the
Ati hari abandi banze guhamagara mbere na mbere.
line open and sit.
Mutavana telefoni kandi mwicare mutuze sit tight.
Like we have a fucking choice.
None se tudatuje bwa rani mahitamo dufite. Kupege telefoni.
It's triple up.
Bakore bato. Mutuze nta yandi mahitamo.
Are they
Oya kano gafite ubwoba.
Yeah, they're sending someone to help.
Baba agiye kohereza ubufasha nimugirwe ibyo ni amasegonda. Mabuja rwose ni umuntu ukomeye cyane. Baramuzi.
Just gotta keep your heads
Ibintu
down.
byose biramera neza.
Tell her.
Turasaba gushyira imitwe yacu hasi.
Lily, ostani dole.
Uyavuga mu gicuncwani.
There. No, don't look.
Wirebayo.
See them, that means they can see you. That's bad.
Baramutse muhuje amaso bari bibi cyane.
Na-
Umutwe wawe ushyira hasi.
They're gonna choose their shots. They're looking for a kill shot.
Ati uko biri kose barashaka aho bapimira nta kindi.
Okay? Keep your head down.
Mumize ngo imitwe yanyu hasi. Komana.
Why are they trying to kill you?
Hasi ubundi niyo mpamvu iri gutuma ashaka kubica. Lili mbona arabaza?
I don't know.
Nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
You did something,
Hari ikintu mwakoze.
didn't you?
Sibyo? Umuntu we ntabwo umuntu yabyuka mu gitondo ngo aze kukwica ntacyo wamukoze.
We've done many things.
Bwana twakoze byinshi.
That's not why this is happening.
Ntabwo ariyo mpamvu ibi byose birimo biraba. Amabara yo twakoze ni menshi.
I don't want to die.
Ntabwo nshaka gupfa.
Here.
You're not gonna.
Ntabwo napfa ntabwo muri bupfi.
Water.
Yeah,
Bagifite umwana w'umukobwa.
you're gonna see her again.
Uwo muri uraza kongera umubone.
Trust me.
Kandi unyizere.
God, please help.
Bana ndufashe.
Hey, it's all right, hon.
Waye mutuze.
He's coming. Just sit tight.
Who?
Hari abagiye kuduha ubufasha mutuze.
You know? The good guys.
Bantu beza baraza kudutabara.
Good guys like you?
Bantu beza nkamwe.
Yeah, like
Cyane.
me.
Abantu beza nkanjye.
If you're such a good guy,
Iyo uri umuntu mwiza,
then why is someone trying to kill you?
niyo mpamvu yatuma umuntu abyuka mu gitondo agashaka kwica wowe.
I told you, I don't know.
Nakubwiye ngo nanjye mwanya sinzi impamvu ari kumiga.
What did you do?
Hasi ubundi utambe ikintu icyo wakoze.
Hurt someone,
Hari umuntu mwababaje cyangwa?
and now they want to hurt you?
Byo kuba byamera ko hari umuntu mwababaje nawe ushaka kwihorera. Nawe bababaza.
Yes.
ya sibyo
Yeah.
ya niko bimeze
Yet you are the good guy.
hanyuma ukambwira ko nawe uri umuntu mwiza ibyo ni ibintu bitumvikana
We try to be, okay?
What?
umva tugeza ko abantu beza rero gerageza cyane
He's speaking for himself.
arimo arivugira
I like being a bad dude.
yanjye nkunda kuba umuntu mu bintu urugo rwa Ken akantu karimo karasenga
What are you saying?
aravuga ikintu batumva
She's saying-
arimo aravuga ibiki
This love and love is real.
ati arimo aravuga ngo Imana ni urukundo kandi urukundo ni urwanyarwo niyo magambo arimo aravuga umurabera neza sibyo
Look,
karumetwa ariya ni karumevu karumetwa karume hano nu filime yiswe take cover kurya cover
what's your daughter?
mukobwa yisameze buriya abasirikare bari bakajuga abasirikare baje kurwa babaye batangiye kwiyeba kurwa gutera kabiri zabo bagutera injuga
How old's your daughter?
none se mukobwa we biratangana ati kugira ngo ibitekerezo bijya ahandi mfite imyaka 8
Yeah.
okay
What's her name?
harya yitwa nde
Her name is none of your fucking business.
wazina ry'umwana ntabwo bikureba wa kigabo we
Okay, fine.
mbasi mbabarire pande aratangiye kuyobya mu ntekerezo
You are no soldier.
we nta nubwo uri umusirikare
I know what you are.
nzi icyo uri cyo
I've seen many of your kind around here.
nabonye abantu nkawe babicanye impande yanjye kenshi
You call yourself a soldier.
mwiyita abasirikare
Really? You're just a kid.
ariko mu by'ukuri muri abicanyi gusa
I've read it on your palms. You kill for money.
ati nkunasomye ibiganza byawe mbona akazi ukora wica kugira ngo ubone amafaranga you kill for money
What do you do for money, huh?
ese mukaba ukora iki kugira kubw'amafaranga
Oh, what I do?
njye ibyo nkora ndabizi
Yeah. You sell your ass.
nawe ugurisha umuhumetso wawe Ken ntakajya heza ntabwo yaguhereza
Don't-
ati niba twe twica kugira ngo tubone amafaranga nawe urigurisha kugira ngo ubone amafaranga
Lecture us.
rero wihita ugira inama
Do what I must to take care of my
njye
child.
nakora ikisabwa cyose kugira ngo nabone amafaranga yo kwita ku mwana wanjye
Why do you do what you do?
We
wese niyo mpamvu mukora ibyo mukora
protect
twe
people.
turinda abantu
Do
oya
doing a bang up job so far.
ntabwo mwakora akazi k'ubwicanyi ngo murarinda abantu izo ni inshingano
Is that your mirror?
iyo nimero wari yawe cyane
Give it to me.
yemereza
Quick.
gira vuba yakamusunikira nk'umusirikare urebe fata kamera wari urebe areberamo
Who was it that hired you for us tonight?
We got a call from Mirko the consul.
ati ninde watumye muzanira ijoro
Yes.
atwahamagaye na Mirko
He said we were a gift.
ariko yavuze ko turi impano
Sam, look out!
bayicunga kumbe cya kigabo cya Mirko kirahaguruka Mirko ariko nawe natuma samwicunga mwana ariga Keni tayari Keni aracambara bagabo baraha box bagabo bose ni indwanyi sonya bwayi kumwicanyi bya nyabyo nakubwiye kuri 6 byawe urarya show ku giti ukwezi kose
I can't get to you!
bari ntabwo nakugeraho box bya nyabyo bagabo karenze kamera muri etaje Ken itsimba hakuno Ken meze neza
Yeah, I'm good.
meze neza
You see the phone?
abana telefoni
Phone? Yeah, I got it.
iya ndayibona
Yeah,
iya ndayibona
got it.
ndayifashe
Good.
ayiwe neza cyane
Hey, Ken.
Ken
Yeah.
yego
Thanks, bro.
koze bro
You saved my life.
rantabaye mwana cyangwa mushuti
Don't worry about it.
bitindeho
Worry
urebe
about it.
sasu byaciye muri Keni cyebwe data we
Don't worry about it.
we bitindaho cyebwe bapimye mu rubaho rirahinguranye
Don't worry.
data we Keni Ken amasasu y'abasniper yari remereye atishije muri triplex Ken maniga tayari Nanda eske
Shit!
oh ibyo bari bazi yuko Hey, filime yiswe Take Cover.
I think he's still breathing.
Ndakeka kirimo arahumeka.
He's breathing?
Ndacyahumeka.
Yes.
Yego.
You sure?
Uri sure?
Bleeding, but still breathing.
Arimo arava usibye ko kirimo arahumeka. Bleeding but still breathing.
Come on, Tam, please.
Tam. Ariko magana nyirabuja Tamara. Mana we.
Oh boy.
Mana twese turapfa.
Oh boy.
What's she saying? What is she saying?
Baravuga ibiki?
Scared, what do you think? She's afraid we're gonna die up here.
Afite ubwoba bwo tugiye gupfira njye maravuga ngo muratekereza ibiki?
All right. You tell her.
Ngaho mubwire.
Tell her it's gonna be okay.
Ubwiye ko biri bumere neza sibyo?
This.
Turava hano kandi turava amahoro.
She doesn't believe you.
Ntago ajya kwizera.
A killer's word means nothing
Ati ijambo ry'umwicanyi iteka nta gaciro rigira.
to anyone.
Nta jambo ry'umwicanyi rigira agaciro ku muntu uwo ari we wese.
I told you I'm a soldier.
Nakubwiye ndi umusirikare.
Protect people. We are
Turinda abantu.
bad guys.
Twica abantu babi.
We don't have another choice.
Naye ni mahitamo dufite.
Who?
Udukurikije ndi.
Your government.
Urinda abaturage ukurikije leta yawe cyangwa?
You really think that makes a difference?
Urakeka hari itandukaniro ririmo se?
When my baby girl was only 1,
Ati igihe umwana wanjye yari afite umwaka umwe.
her father was gunned down in the street.
Ati ise bamurasiye mu muhanda.
Why?
Kubera?
Because he thought my husband was someone else.
Kubera ko bakeka ko umugabo wanjye ari ikindi kintu. Nicyo nyine bamuhoye.
This killer also worked for the government.
Umwicanyi wica umugabo wanjye nawe yavuze ko yakoreraga leta.
But they got it wrong.
Ariko bari baribeshye ku mugabo wanjye.
Cost my husband his life.
Barangije bamwambura ubuzima umugabo wanjye.
Murder her father.
Umukobwa wanjye we yitaga se niwe bishe.
That killer thought he had good reason for what he did too.
Ati n'uwo mwicanyi uwo munsi yumva ko yari afite impamvu yo gutituma akora ibyo yakora kandi yumva ko iyo mpamvu ari nziza. Ariko hari umuryango yasize umwana w'imfubyi n'umugore amugira umupfakazi. Telefone irasona. Taba telefone ma.
Sam?
Umva neza ko ari amakuru meza.
What's wrong?
Sam ikibazo ki?
Where's Ken?
Kenny ari.
He's down. He's hit.
Ari hasi yarashwe.
He's unconscious. I can't get
Sana
to
wahwereye.
him, but he's bleeding.
Ntago nakwegerana rusubye karimo arava cyane.
We need a medic up here, Tam, now.
Ukeneye ubufasha bwihuse n'ubuvuzi.
Quickly.
Vuba byihuse.
Ken's a tough nut to crack.
Ken ni umuntu ukomeye ntabwo yaraburiza.
He'll make it.
Araza kurokoka. Buryo nyirabuja avuga.
Do you have a visual?
Waba uri muramureba?
Hang on.
Cyangwa uri kureba hakurya bari kubarasa bari bo?
I'm using a mirror.
Ndimo nakoresha kamiruwari. Arongera arareba.
Okay, go.
Sarimo ndabareba noneho.
I have a team almost there. Watch for the flashes.
Ati rwose mfite ikipe irimo irajyayo. Nta kimenyetso uri kubona?
Watch it.
5,
Urimo aracunga.
4,
Gatanu, kane, gatatu. Bona akantu k'akamenyetso.
Are we clear? Is that confirmed?
Waba wabonye akantu k'urumuri?
I need rock solid fucking confirmation before
Ati nyine rwose kuma confirmation
he can move.
mbere yuko mugenzi wacu ya moving.
Room is clear. You're good.
Neza ko biri clear.
Sam.
Meze neza Sam. Bonye ko ari bagenzi babo Tamara yohereje muri etage irimo abicanyi bamuhe na sinyare y'akantu k'urumuri.
It's safe?
Ibintu biratekanye.
We're good.
I'll send
Meze neza.
the team over to you.
Naje mbohereza ikipe za kubavanaho.
Chances are they may have assets in your hotel,
Baza byanga byakunda hari ibikoresho biri muri iyo hoteli murimo.
so just stay calm,
Bivuze ngo mutuze,
stay on the line.
gume ku murongo.
And you can stop hiding behind that pillar.
Ariko bibaye byiza barekera gukinira inyuma y'iyo nkingi. Urebe filime.
You find the mole?
No.
Ako wababonye umuswa?
No, Sam,
Oya umusenzi urimo arabarasa ntabwo namubona.
not yet.
Aramubwira ngo uzaze barekera gukina inyuma y'iyo nkingi.
It's been very
Busy.
Erega nahoze mfite akazi kenshi.
It's safe?
Hasi ahantu haratekanye cyangwa. Mukobwa za guhengereza ibyo wabuje.
Yeah, it's safe.
Yambwe ko atekanye.
You sure?
Uri sure?
Yeah.
Cyane.
Why do you believe them?
Hasi kuki ubundi ubizera.
Look, I just saw the flashes myself.
Bonye hariya ukantu k'urumuri bampaye ka flash.
Okay, it's safe. We're clear.
Ahantu haratekanye.
You first, then.
Ngaho banza ugendereye n'abatekanye. Samu! Fata hano akantu. anaga gasego.
See? Told you.
Nakubwiye baratekanye.
Do it.
Ngaho rero bikore vayo.
Find that pillar if you're so sure.
Hasi ubundi kankubaze. Kubura inyuma y'iyo nkingi nibyo biguha icyizere cy'uko ahantu utekanye.
Hey, Tam, you got eyes on us?
Haza Tamara urimo uratureba.
Not yet. I'm working on it.
Ntago ndimo ndabareba ariko ndimo ndabikurikirana.
And how did you
Maniga kari ubwenge.
know I was behind
Nibwo tuwamenye ko
the pillar?
narindi nyuma y'inkingi. Ukanya namubwira ati uraguma y'inyuma y'inkingi paka ryari. Mwanda. Nyirabuja amenya gute kari inyuma y'inkingi.
Nice try, Tam.
Wagerageje Tamara.
Got me to check the flashes so I'll be convinced.
Wambwiye kugira ngo ndebe ruriya rumuri kugira ngo nanjye undangize. Uri umuhanga.
Very smart.
Uri umuhanga kuko wa mugore we. Sam.
Did I not realize what a
Ni gute namenye yuko
fucking liar you
Borana n'umuntu w'umubeshyi.
were before now?
Kuvana mbere. Sekamo. Kumenyera buje no abagambaniye.
What they want to be true rather than what is.
Ata kenshi abantu bakunda kwizera ibyo abantu ababeshyi ko ari ukuri kurusha ukuri kwa nyako.
What the fuck are you doing, Tam?
Tanga urimo akora ibiki?
What are you up to?
Ubugamije iki?
Firing you.
Turimo turakwirukana mu kazi.
You insisted on it.
Bora ko baduhatiriza ngo ushaka kuva mu kazi.
God damn it, how could you do
Mwanda.
this to me after all these years?
Nyuma y'imyaka yose dukoranye Tamara ni gutakora ibintu nk'ibi.
I like you, Sam.
Sam ndagukunda.
But
Gusa
I don't see things in terms of right and wrong. That's not what I'm paid.
usibye ko ari genda njya ibintu mu buryo nk'uko nawe ubibona. Ari ibintu wumva ko we uri mu nzanzima ariko nyangana ko uri mu mafuti.
My
Kandi ntago aribyo nishyuye gukora.
job is to solve problems. No,
Ariko njye akazi kanje no gukemura ibibazo.
problem is
Kandi ikibazo ni kimwe.
we have a man like you.
Dufite abagabo nkawe.
Who has a very specific skill set, who doesn't
Kandi
want
bafite ubuhanga nk'ubwawe.
to work for us anymore, which is fine, but what we can't have is you work
Usibye yuko ntabwo twakwemera ko umuntu nkawe wagenda ngo uducike kuko hari abandi bantu duhanganye. Bivuze ngo uramutse uvuye muri kano kazi nongere kudukorera. Abandi baramutse baguhaye akazi ngo bakorere watumara.
Or one of our competitors. So
Hari abantu benshi hano duhanganye kandi bafite amafaranga.
the
Rero
solution,
igisubizo ni kimwe.
we take you off the board.
Tukuvane kuri board tukurangize.
You.
Nabereye umunyakuri.
You were. But our profile on you suggests you have too much empathy
Erega wa mugabo we ibyo turabyumva nicyo binatwaye.
and you're losing your
Twakoranye neza wadukoreye akazi twagusabye. Ariko ikibazo ni kimwe.
wrong direction and you
Kuva urimo urajya mu cyerekezo kibi bivuze ngo undi muntu twaba duhanganye. Uri umusore w'umuhanga twaminiyaga.
become
Rero ntabwo twakureka gutyo ngo ugende amahoro.
on us.
Gahunda ni ukukwica nuko bimera.
hello.
Aha kugira ngo uve muri kano kazi ugende abandi baguha akazi uze uduhitane. Nawe ubwawo baramutinye.
Why not just
Me. Why Ken?
None se ko rije mwashaka kwica kuki mwishe na Ken?
Don't talk too much.
Wibaza byinshi Ken nawe yaravugaga cyane.
Personal, it's how
Ntabwo
it
ari
is
ibintu biri personal.
in the private sector, Sam.
Umva akenshi muri private sector cyangwa se
It's far from the first time.
iba ifite management yayo.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Hasi undi urimo aravuga ibiki?
How do you think you two got started?
Abo nicyo utekereza ko mwembi babiri mwatangije.
Dubai? Ring any bell?
Uribuka ibintu akazi mwakoze muri Dubai nta kintu gakwibutsa.
You saying we killed our own?
Technically,
Utwishe bagenzi bacu se.
you removed a couple of liabilities.
Cyane rwose muri Dubai mwishe bagenzi banyu.
Now you're replacing
Uburyo mutazi.
the same thing.
Kandi abo bagenzi banyu mwishe no bagomba kubasimbura.
Sadly, I
No bagomba kuba replacements zanyu.
did 2 shots. No
Abo bagenzi banyu mwishe nabashaka kuva mu kazi. Nkuko nawe uyu munsi ushaka kukavamo.
bellhop. Cool.
Dari iyo mwitanya ashaka kuva mu kazi. Tumwoherezaho mugenzi akamuhitana. Niyo mpamvu nawe aho ngaho uri aho bari kuguhitana ari abo twakoherejeho.
Were any of my kills good?
Kandi nawe urabizi ko uburyo nica n'umuhanga.
All our kills are good kills.
Umva uburyo abo uko umuntu kose yapfa twamugutumye ntabwo biba bituye baba ari byiza cyane. Fa kubakoze ibyo twagutumye. Mujinya!
Shit!
Che! Rero
What now? What's happening?
ntibikiri kujya mbere.
Being set up.
Batugambaniye. Kandi twagambaniye nabo dukorera.
You can't call for help. Call
Bivuze ngo ntabwo wahamagara ubundi bufasha.
or anywhere else.
Erega iyo nyubako twayiborotse niyo wahamagara kuri polisi ngiye ugomba guburenganza kugira ngo mu nimero icemo.
I have control over all your comms.
Ati communication zawe zose ngiye uzikontorora.
Your line, Ken.
Umurongo wawe Ken abo bakobwa.
Okay. I see.
Ndabibona.
You got it all figured out, don't you?
We own.
Bino gose amaze kushyira muri gahunda.
You have,
Iyo nyubako ubu yose turayifite.
have no cover.
Nta hantu wakwihisha ntaho wasohokera.
No plan.
Nta yandi mahitamo.
Why not make it quick?
Waretse nka kwirasira ukanyihutishiriza akazi ko nawe uri buce.
Dad, you let the women live.
Ngaho basi njye nyica bareke abana bagore bigendera amahoro.
Yours.
Ibyo nta kibazo.
You give me a word.
Umpaye ijambo ryawe.
I die. They're free to go.
Njye ureke mfe bo bareke bagenda amahoro.
Alive?
Alive.
Absolutely.
cyane rwose.
You're lying.
Of
Ni
course
murambeshye.
not.
Cyangwa ni nakubeshye. Arimo nakubeshye.
Sam, I think you've been doing this job too long.
Erega tama kazi ngakoze igihe kirekire ntabwo wambeshye.
You've forgotten what sincerity actually sounds like. You're
Kandi ntabwo
fucking lying.
uri murambeshya.
Too.
Ndabizi nabura bici.
Puchka.
Oh dear. I sense disapproval from the cheap whore I
Ndabona
set
rwose nawe gakobwa gaciriritse karimo karakugira inama.
up to relax you.
I am not cheap.
Ntabwo ndaciriritse.
Tam, you want me so bad?
Hasi temu niba ushaka kunyica cyane.
Why don't you come up here and do it your fucking self?
Waje wawe ukanyica n'ibiganza byawe.
Sorry, Sam. I think
Not.
Tamuyangane ntabwo ariko mbyeka. Cyawe! Sampo. Baraza kuna birimo kakanyabwoba. Karaparika baraza kuna be yagatawe ma nawe. Gitare cy'amahanga. Kuyawe mukao. Tajare mu rubavu. Bona nawe guma hasi. Yakomeretse ihangane.
She's bait now, that's
Umva urabanye kumukoresha agatego ihangane.
well. That's why they shot the woman.
Barashire bakujya ngura mukobwa yikanga be mu bwihisho. Bamwongeramo yewe data.
Mona!
Mona tuza.
All right. I'm gonna do something.
Arashye ngiye gukora.
When I go, he's gonna be shooting at me.
Ngiye kujyana na mara arasa njyewe.
You pull him in the safe.
Nawe ujya kure lili umujyana ahantu atekanye. Bamukurura inyuma.
Say, when I say, you ready?
Ubikora kandi mbivuze uriteguye. Ndabusha n'ubundi barankurikiza amasasu. Avayo. Ciao. Maniga. Che, mutata we. Ayo tata we. Filibira. Ayo afunga marido. Afunga maridos. Yewe, amarido aribana. Bicanyi bara.
Fuck!
Nganda umva. Deba.
Gonna be okay, okay?
Ramera neza.
We're gonna get out of here.
Ramera neza.
We're gonna get over.
Tugomba tuve hano sibyo? Mana we. Lili. Bicanyi ziraha. Ana yose. Ah. Ati telefone irasona.
This is Ken's skill set, not yours.
Aterega ibi byose birimo birabane mugenzi wawe bipanze Kenny.
Stop embarrassing yourself.
Erega kwitesha umwanya Kenny ni uzi uburyo ki sniper uburyo wamukwepa wikwita umwanya.
Replace me with a fucking moron who can't hit shit.
Umva abashaka kunsimbuza bose ntago bampima kandi nabaso.
Lady friend Spine feels differently.
Ati ibyo muri ibwira nuko ikizere ko ntacyo natandukaniro bitanga.
She's dying, Sam. You know that.
Kobwa arimo arapfa Sam kandi nawe urabizi.
Just stop it. It's over.
Mva rekera guhangana byarangiye.
She was dead the moment she set foot in there.
Aterega umukobwa n'ubundi akinjira muri iyo nyubako yaramaze gupfa kare.
Risked your life and nothing.
N'ubundi mashini muzango mu byago n'ubundi mva nkubwiza ukuri. Aba bakobwa ati barakwinjira muri iyo twe twashyize kuri liste y'abapfu.
You're all
Bari nka ya filime ya Walking Dead barapfu bagendaga.
dead, you know it.
Mwese muri abapfu urabizi.
Why keep torturing yourself?
Wikwibabaza.
The other side of this, you know how it ends.
Nawe uzi uko birangira.
Open area.
Hana ahantu hafunguye naho kwica hari.
No cover.
Oya naho kwica no cover. Sengera kagenzi ke.
You're not making it to your rifle.
Rega n'ubura ahantu uri ntabwo uri bugere ku mbunda yawe.
Of your body.
Mbunda ngiriye hakurya muri case.
You can't get to the bar.
Ntabwo wagera ku kabari.
The elevator.
Ntabwo wafungura esanseri.
Can't get out.
Nta buryo ki wabona ubufasha.
End of story, Sam.
Nkuru yawe yarangiye Sam.
Turtle up.
Mani kura. Batano. Cyenda biforosa mugenzi we. Ah. Bari baje kora ka mashaje. Uwa mbere iremoro. Sam ibintu byakurangiranye. Mani garangije. Fata cyaje crystal ball.
Hey, Mona.
Mona.
Mind if I use this?
Arachazo ngoresha ikinazi cyawe.
That's why I have it.
Niyo mpamvu ngifite ngiye kujya gikoreshwa.
For luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Mani garangije.
Luck.
Kubwa amahirwe. Pima cya kamera. Baratangiye. Ya mbere va mudabaza ajya kugira umujinya. Mujinya. Urebe. Kamera ya mbere barayikubye. Urebe.
I was trying to keep this clean.
Sam ibintu arimo arashaka kubijyana mu nzira nzima. Mujinya urazamuka.
out of respect for you, Sam.
rero kubwo kurenga kuba Sam
It's going to have to get real
none katubigira ibyanyabyo
messy.
tubigira umwanda mwiza.
When I get out of this,
Tamara ndamukamvuye na mahoro
I'm gonna get out of this.
ni kandi ndabiziko ndi buhave
I'm coming to get you.
ndaza nkwibonere.
Trick? But I don't even think you believe that.
Sinzi ko nawe ubwawe uri kuvuga byizeye. Arakupa. Nakubwiye ngo wabaye umusirikare rimwe. Mutima horori wa wundi. Mona wihangana ku inshuti yawe.
22.
Ko bwa rafite imyaka 20. Yarakira umwana. Ewe. Buriya namusirikare ujye ucikira cyangwa bavuga ati no kukuka kanyuma. Nakora ibitangaza. Dukora iki nona?
We wait.
Dutegereze.
We can wait long enough for the sun to come up.
Tukategereza bukarinda buna cyapaka izuba rirashe.
Guys,
Kubera ko izuba riramutse rirashe,
it's very
nkurikije iyi nyubako iri mu burengerazuba bw'amajyepfo bivuze ngo izuba rirasira kuri yo.
Best you got?
Nibyo winyireje se?
how it is, yeah.
Ya nibyo nakwizeza dutegereze izuba rirasa.
Assuming tomorrow hasn't set up any more assets, and that's a pretty fucking big assumption.
Bivuze ngo Tamara mu gihe atarariza izindi ngabo zicukura esanseri twatake twategereza.
So usually that's you on the other end?
Naho ngomba kari baherezo se.
That's you.
Urumurashi nka bariya. Cyane. 90 shooter.
Thinking.
None waba uzicyo umurashi mugenzi arimo aratekereza. Nimba uri umusniper, iri muri situation nk'iyi, uba uri gutekereza iki?
Yeah.
Kobwa aramubaza.
He knows what you're thinking.
Rero niba uriya nawe ari sniper nkawe, nabashaka kwaza ibyo urimo uratekereza. Nkuko uvuze ngo dutegereze izuba ribarasireho. Ubwo bari muri southwest, amajyepfo y'uburengerazuba, tukaba turi muri east. Bivuze ngo izuba rirasa kuri etage turiho, rirasa hakurya.
Yeah.
Nawe arimo atekereza nk'ibyo ntekereza.
Isn't he worried about the sunrise?
Ese araseka nawe adahangayikishijwe nuko izuba riri burase?
Not at all.
Ntabwo ari byo ari gutekereza.
Why not?
Kubera iki cyatuma atabitekereza?
Because he figures we're gonna run before then.
Kuko we azi yuko turi bwirukanga mbere yuko rirasa.
Figures we won't be able to wait it out.
Abasniper barambirwa vuba kenshi yicaye ahantu hamwe.
Even if we do wait till the sun comes up, by then we're gonna be cold and sore, cramped up, and
Maniga ifite icyizere.
yeah.
What is he thinking right now?
None se atekereza ari gutekereza iki?
Oh, right now he's gonna be pissed.
Byanga byakunda arabanza agira akantu ko kuyaga mu mutwe.
See, this was supposed to be a 10-second job. 1, 2, 3, bang.
Akenshi umusniper wese aba arimo arabara amasegonda atarenze 10 buri kanya ubara amasegonda 10. Iyo uje gukora akazi k'umusniper uvuga ati amasegonda 10 ndabanisha umuntu ncomoke. Iyo rero bigiye kuba ukabona akazi kamaze isaha 2 3 umuntu ugomba kwica araho ureba ubanza kuyaga.
I wanna fucked all that up for them tonight.
Atirangi akazi nagakoze.
The longer we wait,
uko dutegereza cyane,
the angrier he's gonna get.
ati ni kuriya musniper ari burakari.
But he's not hot. He's not raging.
Ntago ari bugira icyo abikoraho, ahubwo ubwonko bwe buratangira kubira cyane. Kuko umusniper wese iyo atinze gukora misiyo aba arimo aratakaza amanota.
He's calm.
Ubu yatuje,
He's cool.
yashyize umutima hamwe.
See, it's a battle of wills. And he's determined to win. He's thinking...
Ati izi ntambara z'ibyizere kandi ari determined ko ari butsinde.
And the shot. The target and the bullet.
Ubu umutima uri ku gipimo cye n'isasu.
It's pure. It's relaxing too. I know that's it.
Bagomba gutuza muri we.
Because there's nothing clouding your mind.
Nta kindi kimuri mu bwonko.
No bills. No worries.
Akenshi abasniper bana abantu biberaho nk'abazapfa ejo. Ntajya ahangayikishwa n'iby'isi. Awe ni kwa hoze. Ariko uriya we ni umupfutu.
You're not.
Undamwica kandi we ntakiri ube muko. Nuko yemeze.
Could you do such things?
Wose abikora ute?
You just take life.
Ni gute ubikora uri aho uri umwambuzi w'ubuzima bw'abantu? Ubikora ute? Mbona nawe umeze nk'umudahambana.
I need to get that rifle.
Nkeneye kubona iriya mbunda yanjye.
They're coming. Take cover.
barimo baraza uguma huri maniga ato simbukira imbunda yi babima kuno kuri cha bizibure aragikupa hano sarije masasi umbe sanse sanga yimira zamuka kumbe kure sanseri maniga fungura hakuno case bohereje abandi bicanye Tamara nakubwiye ku 6,000 byayo ku giti.net urya show kwezi kose naye biri ku cyumweru bayika yitonze nawe ararodinga bicanye kila yavuze muri equipe y'abicanye ashaka kuva mu mukino baravuga ati umusenzi abaramutse abonye ni kampani akorera yatumara none bamwereje abicanye killers yitonze yakubye za fizibure mugabo avayo abanza kuryama hasi urebe filimi areba muri ya etage iri mu mwicanyi hano harurebera sniper jisho rihora urindi bagabo bare kuri mwoto nakubwira cyane premier wumva cyabita umuriro cye wadatawe bare kuri mwoto iremoro cyangwa yapfuye je ne connais pas nakubwiye bitandatu bya ukubita iki whisky aramukongeza bongera y'umuriro instaza hano itangira kure kuri myotsi tayare cyo bita umwoto we bicenye ziraha target masasu we baya kuba batanga kobwa shira umukobwa hasi muri kadende shira mbona hasi
Okay.
sawa okay sawa
Drop the weapon.
shira mbona hasi
Stay calm. Don't hurt.
sawa ngaho basta bazu umukobwa reka shira mbona hasi
All right. Let's take it easy.
bigenze gake
Putting the rifle down.
mukire intwaro hasi gake sibyo kumbe hano ikicanyi
Don't do anything.
nicyo barimo barapima ntabwo bari kumureba neza yakihishemo target vuba nagije hano bagabo kivana y'icyuma kimwe yatwitse
Fucker on fire.
usenza ncomesha uncome bagabo tayare yawe mucyo yawe kwira hasigaye sniper spotter wiwe bamuhaye kare hashenze sha uru ruzingo rw'umwonjo abana b'abantu ifico
Thank you
wakoze
for saving my life.
kubwo kuntabarira ubuzima
I told you. That's why I do this.
nabikubwiye ibintu byo nkora
To protect people.
nje ndinda abantu
When did you become a soldier?
wabaye ryari umusirikare
You know, when those two planes went into the towers, the World
ati ubwo za ndege ebyiri zanjaga muri
Trade Center
za Twin Tower
came down.
n'igihe basinyaga World Trade Center
It scared the shit out of me. That's why I enlisted.
nibwo nayo nemeye kujya kuri lisita bajya mu gisirikare nari mfite 18
Shit.
nta kintu nari nzi
I wanted to do something that meant something, you know?
nagiye mu gisirikare dusa nkaho tugiye guhangana na Al-Qaeda
Did 4 tours,
nakoze tour enye
and I
Afghanistan Iraq
found out I was pretty good at it.
ati nabonye ko ari byo nshoboye
Signed me up for this
nabuze umuryango wanjye ubwo basenyaga ziriya nyubako
thing.
cyangwa kujya muri kano kazi
We had to do things we weren't supposed to talk about.
ati twemeye gukora ibintu tutashobora no kuba twavugisha iminwa yacu
Met Ken. Felt
nibwo naje guhura na Ken nibwo nabonye ko hari abantu bakiri bazima muye na Ken
like we were busting through all the red tape and doing things that we were told the politicians didn't have the will or even the guts to do, you know.
Ati twakoze akazi mugenzi abo politicians batubwira gukora bobwa bakumva ko nabone umuntu amenye ibyo dukora.
To see things in black and white back then.
Twavuye mu gisirikare ko bana batugira aba private contractors ku buryo baduhaga akazi kujya kurasa ibyebe mu buryo bw'ibanga. Twakoze cyitwa ama black operations, black ops.
But there right now.
Ati ibyo ari job yacu.
Doing the right thing.
Ati twakumva ko turi gukora ibintu bijyanye nabyo. Ariko mu nyuma barashaka kudukoresha nk'abacakara. Nta burenganzira bwo kuva muri kano kazi.
It's a lot harder when it's your ass in the crosshairs.
Tenebwo byaje kundenga mu myaka ya 18 ndajoininga. Nibwo joining the force.
And I may as well be.
Ati Didi yapfuye naje akurikira mu kanya.
And my daughter.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye.
Who will provide for her once I'm gone?
Ese nimpa rindi uzamwitaho.
I have money.
Ati mfite amafaranga.
We're out of here. We'll get you both out of the country.
Kandi nzabavana muri gihugu.
Bed.
Turi abapfuye ibitindaho.
You said so yourself.
Nawe ubwawe wabyivugiye.
You know what he's thinking and
Nawe uzi ibyo uriya musinayipa arimo aratekereza.
he knows your every move.
Kandi azi n'intambwe zawe n'ibyo upanga.
We're trapped here.
Bisa nk'ahantu twafungiwe.
Way out.
Twategewe hano oya.
There's a difference.
Hari itandukaniro n'uvuge yuko twafungiwe hano nta buryo bwo kusohoka. Hari itandukaniro.
What?
Irihe? What difference?
Better at this than he is.
Ati ndi umuhanga kurenza uriya musinayipa.
I can just get to my rifle. It's over for him.
Ati namutse ngeze ku mbunda yanjye Tamara byabira nako Lily byabirangiye.
Tamara knows that.
Kandi na Tamara arabizi. Ngeze ku murange gato byabirangiye.
Give me your hand.
Bameretse ikiganza cyabo. Asoma ibiganza.
What?
Kubera
You're a killer
uri umwicanyi
and a survivor too.
kandi uri survivor.
A very good one.
Kandi uri umuhanga muri byo.
The palms never lie.
Ntabwo ibiganza bijya bibeshya.
Will lie.
Uri umuntu urokoka intambara kenshi gashoboka.
Don't.
Bantu barabeshya, people lie, palms don't. Bantu barabeshya ko ibiganza bijya bibeshya. Uri umupambanyi. Rangije.
This is my daughter.
Uyu ni umukobwa wanjye Milena.
The address is on the back.
Adresse y'umwana wanjye iri inyuma.
Yes. If I die
Ndamutse mpfuye uzamwereke uzamushake
and help her.
umufashe.
Money, school,
Amafaranga y'ishuri buri kimwe.
Her.
Everything. Help her. Please. Everything. Do it for her.
Talk like this.
Wivuga amagambo nk'ayo.
Trust me.
Kugira ngo wakunyizera.
I'm not a trained soldier.
Ntabwo ndi umusirikare watojwe.
You are.
Niwe watojwe igisirikare.
And my daughter.
Kandi mukobwa wanjye.
My daughter cannot survive on her own.
Ntabwo umwana wanjye yakwishoboza kuba muri iyi si. Ntabwo yasurviving struggles z'iyi si.
If you get your gun. You
Ndagufasha kubona imbunda yawe.
Milena.
Kandi nawe unsezere kuzafasha umwana wanjye Milena.
Promise.
Sezeranya, promise.
Not with words,
Atari amagambo.
but with your heart before God.
Ubanze umutima wawe imbere y'Imana.
And make it real.
Kandi uzabigira ibya nyabyo.
I promise.
Ndagusezeranya.
Before God.
Imbere y'Imana.
That I will protect her with everything that I have.
Nzamurinda na buri kimwe cyose nzaba mfite. Kandi nzamuha buri kimwe cy'umubyeyi wese yaha umwana we.
Okay.
Kandi uzongera umubone.
We're gonna get out of this.
Ibi turabicamo turahava turi bazima. Je te promets. Ikimenyetso nabika agafoto. Ahubwo ati nagufasha. Buja. Mbe sanseri. Hari abandi baje. Maniga vuba. Yinje sanseri. Sniper bana senza rancitse. Snipers. Yakuranga ba sniper mwabasenzi mwe. Kigabo ni kinini. Baragigira. Kigabo ni igisore. Kigabo cyarakuze. Kirangije. Kirahora. Kigabo ni rukuru. Cyawe. sniper akabona ko nakiyambeza ariko ikigabo cyarakuze yabora umugabo wanyawe akabaye n'amaso ndimo nakwica wicane atamasara yakanda asenda nganza amaso tayari yawe sangije mugabo vayo habuze gato musenzi we defongora sanseri kumbe yavanye amapiri muri gurunadi aiwe tayari chebwe tata we agabo tayari baraga harugo hayiryo munda kumbe wa mukobwa mona
I killed
ndishe
for my Milena.
kubwo umwana wanjye Milena ariko yari tata bugenga tata we
For my
kubwo umwana wanjye yari yahagaze munda oya maniga ndishyiramo ndangije barebana ndakuri sasu ndarangara bisikana bayise tekava yewe tata we oh bandi mana arabivuganye oya
Why did you do that?
koze ibiki
Why did you do that?
kucyo bikoze kucyoze biriya
Run.
bakabaye twirukanse umwana wanjye Milena iki basi uzamuncungire umushyize mu biganza byawe uzamuhe ubuzima bwiza, give her a better life, ubuzima bwiza burenze ubwo tukaba turimo, uzamwigisha gusurvivinga muri iyi si. Ntabwo nabikora, uzagira ibyiringiro, have faith. At palms never lie, ibiganza nibyo bibeshya. Bakiraho kumbe Ken.
Jesus Christ, Ken, I thought you were dead.
Nyamurutirigongo. Ken akuka karacyarimo.
No!
Let's.
Bring me ahead.
Wibuja.
Don't move. We gotta go.
Wibuja tugomba tuva hano.
Move my fucking legs.
Nago najana babuja.
Fucker got me through the spine, man.
Bana chemurutirigongo amaguru yabaye paralize.
Move me, man.
Nago nabuja.
I can't move. All right.
Nago nabuja. Samwana.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Fuck!
Anda.
Look at you, bro.
Banzaire muvandimwe.
Shot through the spine. They can't get you. You're fucking
Mwana barashe murutirigongo ariko nago bakurangije mwana.
star.
Mwana cyara rockstar.
It's about time you noticed, man.
Man cyo mbimenye.
Sorry about Mona.
Wihangane kugamona.
She's a good woman.
Yari umugore mwiza.
She saved my life.
Mwana ya sister yantabaye.
I know.
Ndabizi.
Now you have your answer, don't you?
Ati bufite ibisubizo.
As in what?
Ekes.
Why someone would give their life for some undeserving piece of shit, huh?
Mwana kesha rigiye umuntu atanga ubuzima bwe kubandi bakwiye amahoro.
Save someone they love, right?
Yeah.
Ese umuntu itanga ubwo bakunda cyangwa.
You know what?
Urazi.
I always knew you'd fall for the first hooky you spend the night with.
Ati nazi ko n'ubundi umutima uzatwarwa n'umuntu muzahura ijoro rya mbere ari umukobwa.
You're a cripple, right? Otherwise it beats your fucking ass for that.
Ngenzi Ken amasaha yose yiburaga muri blague.
Fuck.
Sniper bamvanye mu nzira. Rangije afata imbunda ye.
Take that.
No, man. Just fucking go without me.
Man, winjana ndeka mwana ndeka.
You understand me?
Ntago nagusigana mwana wanyumva.
I'm leaving you here.
Ntago nagusigana.
The elevator, the lobby, the stairs.
Mwana ntago twaza manuka n'ubundi esanseri mu abasirikare buzuye hasi bose.
Fortify our position.
Byanga byaguruko byagenda kose ntago twaca muri esanseri baradufite. Mukuru ramuzana hakuno.
I can't get up.
Muzana muri cya cyumba. Muzana hakuno. Highway.
Good news is, you're right about these sheets.
Man, nkuru nziza nuko amashoka tuyafite ya silk.
Do it again. Are you fucking kidding me?
Man, kora ya technique muri Beirut.
Faith, no.
Yari cyizere.
It'll work.
Ntago byakora. Kiraho telefone irasona.
Tamara, she's behind this.
Umva mwana Tamara ni inyuma byose mwana. Mabuja nawe tugambaniye.
That's why I was so heated you were tired.
Ya nubundi ntabwo yarashyushye mu mutwe kubera ko ashaka kuva mu kazi. Ntabwo yabishakaga. Itaba.
Hey, Tam.
Bete Tam.
You still hiring?
Razakodesha abicanyi.
New team.
Cyangwa mapanga ushinga ikipe nshyashya.
You're worse than a cop.
Kera uracyari muzima se?
Hard to kill.
Mwana kabisa urakomeye ntabwo uri umwiza wo kwica.
Such a cunt.
Umuswa wa mugore we.
Well, congratulations, gentlemen.
Felicitation bagabo.
You've just leveled up.
Ubona abazamu rwose muri level.
What are you talking about?
Navuga ibikisi.
Yes, shit.
No mwanda koko.
Shit.
Mwanda ukomeye.
It's from up top. You
Atiro nabayicenye nzanye.
priority targets.
Bamwe bamaze kuzamuka besikare bari hafi kubageraho. Esanseri mwayiturikije. Ureba neza.
Be what I think it is.
Abandi nohereje. Sinzwe muri bloke izo drone. Kumbe. Kwa mudamu. Yabohereje drone sasa. Ziriho imbunda. Turore. Mudamu arava kwizima. Jya mu kindi cyumba. Tamara nava kwizima. Basore babaraje izo drone. Manega yitonze. Avayo. Ebye magazine asigayemo. Manega afashe cya gishuka. Deba drone. Irabanza gasikaninga. Ndakura. Yesasu. Nongera aragaruka. Ntabwo yabayikoreye ibisasu bibiri. Tarakururayo. Banza kubura stability uburinganire neza mu kirere. Gihiri rya kabiri kamera. System itangira kujyamo akabazo. Tayari. Bimahani kinuza. Wa AC. Tayari. Manuka busazi. Harari rwa gaze. Kajaga pan. Bajia. Namutse ngo bajia namutse ngo iki?
Let's go. Move.
Bane tugira abandi basirikare batezamo.
Drones down.
Bane drone iri hasi. Kugera hano yasanze Kenny yakarenze. Mushuti sura yerurutse. Bane basirikare manigara afite gishuka cya siliki arihambira neza vayo
Shit.
Nanda Aiwe
Okay, Ken.
Sawa Ken
Hey. I'm in your hands now, brother.
ndi mu biganza byawe muvandi yamukoreye umutaka muri yashuka nibyo adagwa mu fashuka silk ngo bakomeye najya apfa gucika.
Oh shit.
Nangije maniga agize gutya muvandi nabikoze birakunze muvandimwe. It worked. Nabikoze mwana. Ken yasigaye muri etage. Hano no murejeni kumbe gishuka tayari muri Mondays.
Shit.
Nganda kubese mwikamya mwenzangu
Verification received loud and clear.
wabigenze neza ora ku kimenyetso ngensangaririkira kumbe hakuno mjini bwazi Tamara hakuno
I am a long way
arabavuganaga
from verifying that.
ati ndikure yo kubiverifya
You may be closer than you think.
ati Tamara ashaka kunyegera birenze uko bikeka bisi baze kwicuma
It's boring now, Sam.
Sam ibyo biri kuba wa ahubwo urabeho tuzasubira Tamara mugenzi yagambaniye ba Sam barakoranye neza Tamara yinjiye mu bwiherero hari uwaje akora amasuku nawe yinjiye aho Tamara yinjiye babagasi umvara ikivuze mindani kumbe kakana harakana hano mugenzi kari kureba amafoto ya Mona kuko akarebaga amafoto wa munyamasuku yaraje afata kana kumbe maniga ibyo yasezeranyije Mona yarabikoze yaraje afata kana ke meze neza yemera kabera umubyeyi naga filime ndaceka aruko kageze bayita ka take cover yari da premiere for real abaje mwakoze kuzamura abana bakunda cyane cyane nakubwene mu bitandatu ku giti ukwezi kose karya sho nabawe ndetse na 2 ku cyumweru abaje mwakoze kuza na Star Vista
reka nizere ko mumeze neza cyane. Iyi ni Shimwe Yves ndetse ikaba umuyoboro umwe mu ikora ibijyanye na siporo bigezweho biri trends ku isi hose ni siporo ndetse haba no mu myidagaduro ibyo byose bikubiye mu kintu kimwe. Iyi ni Shimwe Yves ndetse tubakangurira gukanda subscribe, gukora share ku biganiro byacu, gutanga ibitekerezo, amareaction yanyu aba akenewe kugira ngo tumenye ibyo dukora ko bibageraho ndetse n'ibyo kunoza mu byo tubahereza. Yego nibyo agaciro kubana namwe, nizere ko mumeze neza cyane aho muri kandi Imana ihaze ibyifuzo byanyu. Nk'ibisanzwe amakuru agezweho nakagaruka hano kuri uyu muyoboro cyangwa se chaîne yanyu mukunda. Jobless.